Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss the where clause in Microsoft SQL Server. First of all, you have need to open the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. I have already opened the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Let's see with practical. First of all, I'm going to create a database. Create database as a Metro demo. Select it, press F5, okay, and then use the Metro demo database, okay, and then I will create a table employee with the 4 columns as a emp id int emp name as a varchar 50 emp city as a varchar 50 and emp email as a varchar 50, okay, and then select it and press F5 for execution of the query. Okay, my table employee successfully created here, and I will insert the sum record inside the employee table. For insert into employee values 1, Ahmed, Noida, Ahmed @gmail.com, okay, and press F5. First record successfully inserted inside the employee table, and then to Amita, Noida, Amita, select it and press F5. Okay, my second record is also successfully inserted inside the employee table. Then third record, Rakesh, Delhi, Rakesh@gmail.com, and then press F5. Okay, my third record inserted in employee table, and then fourth record for Ramesh, Delhi, Ramesh@gmail.com, and then press F5. My fourth record successfully inserted inside the employee table, and then using the select query to display the information from the employee table, okay, 4 record displayed from the employee table, and then I will use the where clause to display the particular record here, okay, then select star from employee where emp name equal Amit. Okay, this query display the Amit information. Press F5 and look here, this query display the Amit. You simply change the name of employee, and if the employee name match with the emp name inside the employee table, then it will display the information here, okay. And you can also use the sum operators like less than, greater than, less than equal, greater than equal, not equal, like, between, etc. we will view the practical demonstration here one by one. And okay, copy it and paste here. Okay, and write here the emp id greater than 2 and select the query and press F5. Look here, it will display the record that is greater than emp id 2 and use the greater than or equals to 2. It will display the info from 2 to 4 that is greater than or equals to 2, and then you can also use the less than 2. It will only display the only one records, that is emp id as a 1, and you can also use the less than or equals to 2. Then it will display the 1 and 2 employee id records. Okay, and not equal. Okay, it will display the 1, 3 and 4 that is not equals to 2, and use the emp id where emp id between 2 and 4. Look here, this will display the information 2, 3 and 4 between the records, and you can also use the like statement, emp name like a %, select and press F5. It will display the record that is start with a, and if you write here the r, then display the record start, the name start with R, Rakesh and Ramesh. Thank you friends, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.